And that's why we talk about the wind chill. And yeah, while it feels so much colder than the air temperature, it actually has impacts because that's how we measure those times. 10 minutes, 15 minutes, however long it would take you to be more susceptible to those cold related illnesses. So I've got this explainer graphic. Pardon the cartoonness of it. It is a serious matter, but I think it really helps to describe why we put so much emphasis on the wind chill this time of year, especially when we have wind like we've had the past 36 hours or so. When the wind is calm, our bodies are always radiating heat, and it's that layer of heat around us that kind of keeps our bodies warmer when we're out in the cold. But when the wind becomes an issue, the wind's going to push that warmer layer around our bodies away, and that is how our skin and our bodies react, as if it is that much colder, and that is what limits the time that we have to stay safe if we are outside. Things like hypothermia, as we just talked, frostbite can occur within a matter of minutes. That's why you want to really make sure, if you have to be outside, make sure all of your exposed skin is covered up and just limit that time outdoors on days really like today as well. Here's your updated wind chill advisory, and that's why we see advisories like this get issued from the National Weather Service, because it just goes to show you temperatures and wind chill temperatures are going to be at that critical point where those cold related illnesses are much more likely. This is going to be in effect for really most of the state through 1 o'clock today. Been watching our wind chill temperatures out there right now. That's the live look of downtown Indy. We've got a sustained wind at 18 miles per hour. That factored into our current air temperature, which is just 1. Making it feel more like 20 below. And over the next several hours, air temperatures will stay in the single digits. Looks like we struggle to get back near 10 later today. Albeit an improvement, still not going to be great to be outside for extended amounts of time. So want you to be prepared for that cold air, the wind gusts that are likely to continue. 30 to 35 miles per hour today. That's what's going to put that chill in the air. And as far as your warmest wind chills of the day, most of us will stay well below that 0-degree mark, with a peak wind chill of 7 below in Indy, 9 in Greencastle, and 12 below in Muncie. We go through the evening tonight. This will take us into our Christmas morning. Once again, the wind will stay gusty, a little less gusty than during the day today, but still going to put those wind chill values in that minus 15 to 20 below category. So we wake up early on Christmas morning. That's around 7 a.m. Here's some good news. The sky will gradually clear from west to east, and that means we're going to bring back more sunshine. Temperatures, though, overnight still going to be quite cold. We talked about that wind chill, 15 to 20 below. Actual air temperatures will hold steady right there near that 0-degree mark. We see the sunshine, though, continuing through the day tomorrow. Temperatures will be slightly improved, looking at highs around 15 here in the Indy Metro for your Christmas day. That would actually tie for the 7th coldest Christmas day on record here in Indy, and those records go back to 1871. So this is still significant cold. We're going to keep the snow around on the ground, so it will technically be that white Christmas a lot of us like to see. We're just going to have to deal with those very cold temps. Now, travel looks decent if you have any travel plans through Sunday evening, but anytime after about midnight, that's when things are going to change. We've got a quick clipper system that will bring scattered snow showers in during the first part of the day on Monday. Most of the accumulation will wrap up Monday morning, but with some lingering light snow developing again in the afternoon. Could see an additional perhaps 1 to 2 inches of snow for most of the state. Some isolated spots up to 3 inches in northern Indiana. Certainly could cause some travel issues Monday and Monday afternoon. Going to keep those temps cold, conducive of that snow sticking around 28 your high Tuesday, and then finally warming back up. We'll get above freezing starting Wednesday.
All right, thanks.